I'm really excited for today's video because throughout the week, I just kind of want to share what I'm eating, my workouts, kind of my wellness routine. I feel like I've implemented a lot of habits in my life, especially just growing up and just trying out new things and seeing what works and what doesn't work. I just want to show you guys like what I'm doing at home, just things that make me feel good. And I feel like not everybody has to watch this and take anything away from it. And I'm not gonna like structure it out like I'm teaching you because I don't really know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm just really excited to share my week with you. This will also just be like a normal vlog, but I just kind of wanted to make it a little bit more wellness focused. So today is Monday. I'm going to the Aloe gym today. I'm going with my sister. I'm bringing her along and I'm really excited. I love the gym. That whole place makes you want to be a better person and work out and feel good. I think after the training, they've set me up with a little sculpt facial. That's not really a part of my wellness routine. I never really do stuff like that, but I'm excited. So I'm gonna put my workout stuff on. I'm in all Aloe since I'm going to their gym. I'm on my way to the gym right now, and I will see you guys when I get there because I'm stopped, but I gotta drive soon, so. Does my face look snatched? That was the point of that facial, apparently. Sometimes when I'm just so hungry, I actually don't have the energy to cook. Like, I don't want to wait for food to be done, so I'm just gonna have some rice cakes with almond butter and strawberries for now to hold me over, and then I'll have like a bigger lunch. Good morning, everyone. You won't go potty till you eat, which is crazy. I'm going back to Aloe. I feel like I have done so much more Aloe than I've ever done in my life. I normally do different classes. Okay. I switched Milo over to the farmer's dog. If anybody cares, he's obsessed. Like, I've never seen a dog more obsessed with his food. You love it, huh? I'm picking up Jake on the way to my workout. I need to take care of myself. I need to make a coffee. And then I also, all the wellness stops in the morning. AG1. I have to leave here in like 5 minutes. Okay, I just got home from my workout. I feel like I was so bad at filming everything. I'm the worst. I'm so sorry. I also have therapy at 11, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna rush to the dentist right after. Speaking of therapy, I want to say a big thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. I don't know if you guys would have expected that I'm in therapy or not. Probably. Probably. And it's just really helped me understand a lot of things, understand myself. I'm a big therapy advocate. I just think it's really important to be able to talk about things with somebody who's licensed and unbiased and just wants to help and give good advice. And that's literally the entire point of BetterHelp. It's an online service, so you can go online to betterhelp.com. You can actually use my link, I'll put it here, but they set you up with a licensed therapist to give you guys advice and listen to you and talk you through things. And they're trained, and that's so crucial and important to have in your life if you feel like you need that. I love how easy and convenient BetterHelp makes it. You can literally do like a video call or messaging or phone call, and they usually set you up with a therapist within 48 hours. You can go on their website, you answer questions, and then they set you up with somebody. So they kind of get a feel for who's gonna be your perfect therapist. It's like a dating app for your mental health. I really don't know what I would do without my therapist. I'm so thankful for her. And when I heard about this sponsorship opportunity, I was like, absolutely. I'm so happy to openly talk about that I'm in therapy. I hope it helps at least one person. If you guys do decide to use it, please use my link. It would mean so much knowing that, you know, we share something. Like, we both need a fucking therapist. That's my spiel on therapy. Let's make some food. I have a little under 30 minutes till my call, and then we'll head to the dentist. I got this one. I got these both from Erewhon. This I feel like is gonna be like a cinnamon toast crunch vibe. It might have too much sugar for me to be able to eat it. I'm trying to kill the yeast in my system, which is why I say that. I'm not like a health freak, but I'm supposed to be like kind of on a candida cleanse. I did it for a few weeks and then I kind of bailed on it. And this past week it looks like my body is so inflamed that I look like a different person. I mean, you can't tell, but you know, when it's your own body, you notice those things. And sugar is the main thing that feeds yeast. Do you guys remember the cereal Puffins? Oh my god. Well, maybe I'll just do rice cakes with almond butter. I got this almond butter from my farmer's market. It's literally just dry roasted almonds and nothing else. It's like this amazing consistency. I'll probably just have this with a couple strawberries because berries have less sugar than like a banana per se. Are you having deja vu? I feel like I've done this already. Yay. You've already seen this, but Milo, I have to do therapy. I can't play with you. I know. I know. I know. Sorry. We're twinning! Guess what I just filmed before this? My BetterHelp sponsorship.
How'd it go?
It was good.
I'm lucky to have a spokesperson like you.
Good morning, everybody. I'm currently heading to the Aloe gym. I was supposed to train with Jake today, but he bailed. So I'm going by myself now. I'm gonna do the Pilates, which I'm actually really excited for. Somebody gave me a comment on my last video and they were like, I would really love to see your wellness routine and kind of what you eat and all stuff like that. So I thought this would be a fun video to do this week, just showing you like some workouts, what I'm eating, skincare, wellness, just everything that I've implemented into my routine. My dog is in the car with me and he's freaking out. He hates the car. It's okay, just sit down. Oh guys. Are you kidding? I died. Hello. I'm with Bells. We're going to Love Shack Fancy. I just finished my workout. I'm on a tight sketch.
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 Let's go, Sketchy girl.
Sketchy girls.
I'm doing a YouTube show in here.
Oh, I love that. That's so cute.
And then I'm really excited to try this. Gorge.
I love that. A lot of people don't do YouTube anymore.
I know, I'm like one of the only ones left. Bye!
Those pants are insane.
I'm small.
Those pants are too big on you.
Can I see? Oh my god, you look like you saw my dream.
No.
Let me see.
It's cute.
So cute.
Oh yeah, it's so cute.
Gorgeous, darling.
But it's like one of those things
Adorable.
Wait, were you there?
I'm doing another video with ThreadUp, which is why I have all this stuff back there. I don't know, I'm really excited about it because I feel like I got really good stuff and I can't wait to share it. I also got some stuff from The Real, which we all know, guilty pleasure. I've been hunting and searching for these sunglasses for so long, probably like 2 years. And I found them. Next up, I got this hat. Isn't that cute? I got these jeans. They are Margiela and they're so cool. I'm obsessed with the fit of them except for the length. They're too long. But the actual like fit taken in to like there. Oh god, yes. Oh wait, let me show you the top I got too. Okay, this is the top. I'm gonna have to blur the boobs. Excuse the background. I'm feeding Milo dinner. I'm gonna start dinner pretty soon, but I did a little grocery shop. So I wanna show you guys everything I got. I made it look all pretty for you. This is my grocery haul. Salad and arugula. I mean, you can kind of see berries. We did these for when we're lazy and wanna snack on berries, and then a bunch more. Got parsley, lemons, avocados that aren't ripe, sweet potato, all the things. My sister's coming for dinner. The lighting in here is just very harsh. Please let me know if there's a solution to that. gonna grill this. I'm going in the sauna. This is one of my favorite times to just like journal and decompress and read my book and just have like no screen time, no outside noise, no distractions, and also like I love to just sweat out anything, especially if I've had a long weekend or I've been eating kind of poorly, or sometimes just to feel good. Sauna time.